Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub. For inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates. We get report for table like this where the general public guys they aware about. And the cocoa now be say Justice Nnamdi of the Federal High Court for inside Abuja don struck out a 50 billion naira suit wey dey filed by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and that Nnamdi Kanu. And this suit so dey against the federal government. In a ruling, so Justice come struck out the suit for lack of diligent prosecution. Now at the hearing, neither Nnamdi Kanu nor the federal government was present in court. Now imagine say men carry matter go court, and when the court now don ready to address the matter, they no come see the men wey carry the matter come court, and they no even see who the men they talk about for inside the matter. Now e come back see if men don abandon the matter, e come back see if men no care about the case, so dem go file for court, as both parties now no gree show up. And Justice Nnamdi now dey talk say this case have been adjourned 3 times already due to lack of representation. That is 3 times wey they don adjourn the matter, none of them gree show up. But the federal government, their legal team attend the last occasion, but no lawyer represent Nnamdi Kanu. And as a result of the absence, the judge now come rule say make dem dismiss the suit. And no be lie, my good people, Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He sued the federal government and the Attorney General of the Federation. And he sued the defendants them over the allegations wey dey border on violation of his rights. And Nnamdi Kanu comes dey yarn say men kidnap am for inside the country wey be Kenya, and they come bring am back to this our green country so to constant trial. So he wants the court to determine, he wants the court now to yarn whether the manner in which he was abducted, whether the manner in which he was kidnapped in Kenya and then they come extraordinarily rendition am back to a nation Nigeria, whether it is consistent with the extant laws, whether the thing we dem do now it is in line with the laws of we nation Nigeria. And specifically, Nnamdi Kanu dey talk about the provisions of Article 12(4) of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, Ratification and Enforcement Act Cap A9 laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, and Article/Part 5(a) of the African Charter's Principles and Guidelines on Human and People's Rights while they counter the terrorism in Africa. And also, Nnamdi Kanu still wants make court determine whether by the operation of Section 15 of the Extradition Act Cap E25 laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, now whether the plaintiff can be competently/legally tried for offences stated in count 1 to 14 of the 15-count amended charge. And still according to Nnamdi Kanu, the counts are not the offences for which he was surrendered or extraordinarily renditioned to Nigeria. And for inside the originating summons, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra will be Nnamdi Kanu. They seek 11 reliefs, and that they include an order for his release from the custody of the Department of State Services. Also, Nnamdi Kanu they seek an order restraining the defendants from taking any further step to prosecute him over criminal charge currently pending before a sister court presided over by Justice Binta Nyako. And Nnamdi Kanu constantly asked the court to award the sum of 100 million naira to him as the cost of this action. Now, despite the weight of the matter, the plaintiff and the defendants no show up for court. And now men they wonder why e be say Nnamdi Kanu or his lawyer self no even represent, no go answer present for court during the proceedings them. As of now, where they give you this report, so my good people, Nnamdi Kanu never talk anything as court now does strike out his case when filed against the federal government. But be rest assured, say anyhow the matter come play last, if Nnamdi Kanu can't drop response about the matter, Anointed Lady TV go make sure say that response or that update reach the ears and the eyes of the general public. But however, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you put your comments inside our comment section. But meanwhile, we still get another informate, we still get report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say Sake of the ongoing democratic crisis for inside Rivers State, the Nigerian Bar Association don announce the relocation of their 2025 annual general conference from Rivers State wey men bin don arrange say they go do am before to Enugu State. And the decision to relocate was confirmed by the NBA on Thursday, wey be the 10th day of April for inside this year so, wey be 2025. And the Nigerian Bar Association dey yarn say na the declaration of a state of emergency for Rivers State by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the 18th day of March 2025. Na why the gas take the decision wey dem take so, na why the gas relocate. And no be lie, NBA their conference dem don already arrange say the thing go happen for inside Port Harcourt from the 22nd day of August to the 29th day of August for inside this year, wey be 2025. But now they don reschedule am, they don rearrange. Say no, e no go happen for Port Harcourt again. Now e go happen for inside Enugu, a city now wey be the NBA dey yarn say dey more aligned with the principles of constitutional democracy. According to how NBA now take yarn for inside their statement, they say the announcement that Port Harcourt, the Garden City, go host the 2025 annual general conference of their association was met with widespread enthusiasm. And indeed, sake of the declaration of a state of emergency for inside Rivers State on the 18th day of March for inside the year 2025, registration figure now don increase. Men now dey very much excited and they are eager to attend. But however, the unfortunate turn of events dem for inside Rivers State don understandably stall the momentum and e don affect advanced preparation for the conference. According to the NBA, Rivers State is currently under the administration of a retired military officer appointed as a sole administrator. And this appointment, so the NBA dey yarn say e don lead to a command-style governance wey dey ignore constitutional provisions and court decisions. The association now come further dey criticize the approach of the administrator. E now dey yarn say the administrator wey be Oga Ibas dey undermine democratic institutions and e dey disregard the rule of law. And na sake of this development, so sake of the things and things wey come dey play for inside the state, na why the members of NBA now come dey yarn say e go good make dem move the place wey they wan do this their conference o. And no be like say they just lis ten to the voice of the members. No, they first get an emergency meeting, and that meeting dey include a section of the National Executive Council on the 27th day of March for inside the year 2025. And for inside the meeting, the National Executive Council now come agree say to dey hold the annual general conference for inside state wey dey governed by a sole administrator, e no dey in line with the association, their values. And that's na why the gas move go Enugu State, a city where dem dey believe say e dey more aligned with the principles of constitutional democracy. This my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. And our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other kuku wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And if you be say you like this updates and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Anointed Lady TV. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they call your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports and more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.